What's good everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zamir from XCC Tunes. In this video we're gonna be taking a look at the new Reverb plugin from our music stack, and it is called Ether. Alright, this plugin is really awesome, especially if you want to do like a creative sound design. Okay, so I just recorded a simple line with the melody with a Grammy worthy lyrics. So let me just turn off this effects first if I play them. I love you, baby. So that is the dry vocal that I just recorded for this video. So I'm gonna enable all the inserts plugin here. I have a compressor, I have a tuner, also from Air Music Tech, and the Ether, the Reverb plugin. I'm using the Reverb plugin as an insert here, but this is not how I usually work. I create a sound effects, but only for this tutorial I'm going to be using it in the insert section here. So I have enabled these plugins and let me play it right now. Okay, so you can see there are some noises in the background because I didn't turn off the fan when I was recording, so please ignore that. Okay, let me open this plugin. When you look at this plugin, there's a lot of things going on here. There is a pitch, modulation, delay, and if I enable this, you have animation, and then we have a compressor. Below there we have LFO, and we can obviously we can turn it off if we want, and then we have this pre-delay, time, damp, and so on. And they also have types of space that you can choose. You can have a gritty, loose, roomy, boxy, and so on. Here's a mix knob where you can set your mix level and then the width. Here is the master level of this plugin. You have this low pass, high pass, and high gain. So this is really cool. So let's say if I want to increase the low gain, right? And now it's gonna sound like this. If you notice, there was a lot of low frequency when I played. Okay, let me turn it off. See that you don't have the low gain. This is what I meant when I say that this is good for sound design purposes. If you want that low frequency, you can turn up the low gain. And we have this low pass, high pass filter, and high gain. So let's turn up the high gain. Okay, you can hear the high frequency. Let me turn down this low gain. So if you notice, the reverb sound has a lot of high frequency, so I find that really cool. The other thing that I like in this Reverb plugin is the pitch here. So we have a bunch of options here. I can have an octave high, octave low, minor, minor low, major, major low, fifth, fifth low, detune, detune high, and detune low. Okay, so currently the default setting was detune. Okay, but I can also have a high octave pitch. So when I hit play, the reverb sound is going to be in higher octave. And if I change it to low, it's going to sound like this. Okay, you may not be able to hear it because I've turned down the low gain, so let's turn this up. Okay, that's perfect. Let's try minor. Okay, and then we have minor low. Trust me, this is a really wonderful tool for sound design. Let me go to major. Damn, let's try major low. Smooth. Really love the way it sounds. Let's go and try the fifth. Perfect. And fifth low. So we've already heard the detune. Let's go to detune high. That's really cool. Let's go to detune low. If you like any of the settings, you can go ahead and use it. But if you don't, you want to turn this off, you can do that as well. You can go to this pitch button here, just disable it. Right here, the modulation. Let me turn on the pitch again and change to detune. I have this rate that I can set, and I have this depth that I can set. So let's go ahead and turn this up. Okay, let's try other settings. Okay, this is kind of funny, but let me try again. It has some kind of dissonant sounds there. If that's what you want, do it. And I'm gonna go back to stage 1, or maybe turn this off. Alright, let's go to delay. There are a lot of other types of delay presets here. I can have input dry, or I can have pitched, reverb animation, and then mix. I have this feedback, and I can also sync this delay. Let's delay to quarter note. Let's have an 8-note delay. Let's turn up the mix. Kind of like that. Okay, let's turn up the feedback. Now that's something. It's not bad, but will I use this effect? I will not use this kind of effect for the main vocal. However, if there's any ad-libs or any background vocals, then I might be using this on a certain section. Okay, let's turn down the feedback and turn down the mix as well. Now go to animation. Animation is really interesting. So we have a bunch of options here. We have trance. Let's try trance. Alright, and let's see what it can do. I'm gonna sync this rate. Okay, 8-note. And let's go to depth. Yeah, let's make it 50%. And then color, we have a bunch of options here. Color, high, low, lower. I'm gonna just put it in high for now. And then smooth 50%. Okay, what is this? I'm not really sure what this is. Let me enable and see how it sounds. Let me turn off the delay. Okay, I don't know what it does actually, but it kind of doing something. Let's go and try pump. Okay, I can hear that the reverb is getting pumped. That's what's happening. Yeah, it's getting pumped. So that's a cool effect, right? And then we have this compressor, and we can also sidechain it to reverb. Let's go ahead and change this attack. When I lower down the attack, the reverb is in control, which means that the reverb is not too loud. That is a good thing. Alright, let's go and check the LFO now. We have the rate knob here. We can set the rate, and we can also have it synced. So let me set it to a quarter note. And there's a threshold here. Target. We can set the target of this section here. So let me go ahead and set the target for... Okay, let me turn on the modulation. And I'm gonna set the rate. I'm gonna set the LFO to affect the rate of the modulation. So this is the rate. So let me turn up level here. Okay, let's hear it now. Okay, let me turn off this animation. Now I can hear it. It's doing something, however, I'm not really sure what it is. Okay guys, this is just an introduction video, so I don't know much about this plugin. However, I'm gonna just show you guys all these presets so we can wrap this video up. Okay, let's go to this preset button here. Currently it was in init, which is initialization, and then I created a couple of preset earlier. Let me play that for you. Okay, that's the preset that I created, and I have another one, I think, ambient chill. So this is the two presets that I just created. So let's go ahead and try the preset that comes with this plugin. We have this exponential. Let's try that. This is what I said about using this as a sound design plugin. That is a perfect example. So let's go to the second one here. Okay, that sounds good. Let's try inhale, exhale. Oh my god. I can think of a couple of ways I can use the sound effects in my songs. You know, like a transition effects. I like the last effect. Let me just render this. Okay, so if let's say I want to use this audio track, I will turn off this reverb, right? And I'll play this whole line. And I'll keep the last part as an effect, right? Let me add another reverb here. I'm gonna go to either. I'm gonna go to the preset ambient chill. Okay. That sounds amazing. So let's turn this off and turn on the other plugin, and let's explore more preset now. Okay, let's try another sound. Okay, I'm gonna go to the textures. Let me see this one. Dark matter. Okay. Wow. That's so cool. Mutation. Let's try the pitched one. Demonic. Wow, that's beautiful. Shimmer long. I'm gonna render this one. And you guessed it, right? I'm gonna just use the end. I'm gonna also unmute this track. Let's go and turn this one. Disable this one. Unmute this. Wow. Damn. The possibility with this plugin is endless. Let's try a couple more presets here. We can go to FX return and we have this reverb standard. Let me mute this. Yeah. Let's go to shimmer standard. So I'm gonna just wrap up this video. I'm really having a lot of fun playing with the presets of this plugin, but it'll be great if I know how to design these presets. So I'm gonna learn for now and see what each of these parameters does. And so my opinion about this plugin is it's perfect. You guys should get it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys did, please make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, smash the like button, and share this video to everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.